see it. Let me see.
Developments nung gawin. Okay? So, let me have your levels be checked and then
So guys, ito yung proof na nalak sa lahat. That is game na lang yung screen. And yung ano ko. Yung name at saka email na ginamit ko po.
In my website, I use HTML to build the structures and CSS to make it look nice and interactive. HTML is like the skeleton of the site, while CSS the style or design. For example, I added a gradient background, rounded corners, shadows, and hover effects for likely modern and lively. The header and navigation bar are styled so they stand out, with the site name placed at the top right or upper right of my website. In the profile section, I use flexbox so my picture and text align properly. The buttons also have small JavaScript functions that show or hide content like about me and contact. Finally, the footer matches the theme and gives credit with my links. Overall, CSS makes the page neat, fresh, and user-friendly, while HTML keeps everything organized.